Hello guys, on this smartphone Xiaomi 11 Lite version NE. Start unpacking, look complementation. In complementation we have only adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable and protective back cover. Okay. Device made of glass. On the back side triple camera LED. On this side power key, warm keys, power key with fingerprint scanner, downside Type-C port, slot for 2 nano SIM card and speaker. Okay. Display inch 6.55, AMOLED display, 90 Hz, full HD resolution. Open test, look CPU. We have Snapdragon 678, this octa-core processor, and GPU Adreno 632L. Resolution display PPA, look results. Single core score, multi-core score, and GPU test results. Onto the benchmark. Results, very good result. And run the manual game Real Racing Free. Okay, game works perfect, without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera.